morning, animal friends. It's January 21 today, and we have a couple pickups to do, and Ron's hooking up the trailer. It's mighty cool. I'm sure it's about 30, I'm gonna guess 33 with the wind chill, but I could be wrong with that.
How much is, what is it?
Minus 33 with the wind chill. I'm guessing at that. Anyways, but this is our warmest day we're gonna have. There, and he got it. Okay. So 1 minute we're driving in, seems like whatever normal winter conditions are, and we get over here and it's blowing snow, and yeah, we don't know what up the highway's going to bring, but this is where we're at this morning. Okay, so we are at our first stop of 21, January 21. And what's all in there?
Frying pan. Screens. You said it was heavy.
Oh, wow. I'll go take a peek-see over there.
Where's the rest of the bike?
Okay, let's take a peek-see in here and see what's in there. Can I take a look in there?
Yeah.
Oh,
This is heavy.
oh,
Oh, nice motor.
okay. Oh, my goodness me.
Oh, here's another motor.
Okay. Wow.
Okay, now I can.
Okay. Anything else in there? Just
More bicycle parts.
okay. And some snow, and we got some good stuff. Thank you very much for your donation. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Oh, well, it's a little brisk out this morning, I would say. Yeah, I wouldn't want to walk anywhere. Like a long way. Okay, at our next stop, and we have a rowing machine.
And a pool motor. Thank you, Trent.
And a pool motor. Thank you, Trent. Awesome. That is great. We got a couple motors this morning. That's really nice. And let's take a look at that sun. Oh, I'm happy it came out. It was really debatable there for a little bit, but it's coming out, and at least if it's cold, we have sunshine. Okay, Rocky, let's just take a... There you go. Look at you, how handsome. You're a handsome boy. Hey, Chase.
Chase, come say hi.
Chase, silly.
Come on, Chase.
Okay, I think this is our final stop.
No, one more.
Oh, we have one more?
Yeah, 2 microwaves.
Okay, but look at all this good stuff. Oh my goodness me. We have, wow. We have a pool ladder. We have some vacuums. We have a cart. I don't know what that is. Maybe a dehumidifier. And pool pump with filters. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for your donation. Thank you. It's really nice to see, even in 40-degree weather, minus 40, people still have still donate and still look for stuff to give to us to pick up, and we really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Because it's hard to go out in this weather. But there we go. There we go. We got all that stuff. It's nice stuff. So this is what we have so far. Have a couple motors. And that is a great big pool pump, I guess. Anyway.
It's a generator motor.
Oh, that's a generator motor. Okay, I apologize. I don't know what motor belongs to what, and I really don't care to know that information. But now that he's done with that, I am going inside. It is like cold. As you know, Mr. President doesn't really like to go out in the car, but he's with us today. He just does not like the cold. Hey, Timmy. Hey, my little man. Yeah. Okay, this is our last stop, and it's a microwave, and that's it. That's it for today. And thank you to everyone who went out and braved the cold and got us your donations for the week. Really appreciate that. Thank you again. Have a nice day. Sorry about that. My phone fell right out of my hands when we hit one of the big bumps there. But anyways, we're checking out a back lane. You never know what kind of treasures we can find. You never know, somebody just might put out something 5 minutes before we came down. But that one, there was nothing. Maybe the next one there'll be something. You never know. It's a treasure hunt. Okay, here we go. What do we have? Any goodies back here? Nope. In the 3 months, it'll be spring, 3 or 4 months, people will start putting out their stuff.
Oh, people are putting out stuff now.
Oh, okay.
Always. Just a little bit less in the summer, in the winter.
Yeah. Well, a lot of it's hard to get to.
Okay, Gwen, this is the last one, last back lane, so
All right.
Look hard.
Well, I'm looking through the lens of my camera here, but if I hold it like this, I can kind of glance on the bottom. Oh yeah. You got to figure it out after a while. Okay, nothing. Okay, but we have
a good load.
we can't complain because we have some really, really awesome stuff in the trailer. So, okay, and away we go. We're going home, and
Going to No Frills.
and I have to stop at Shoppers. So those 2 stops, and then we're homeward bound. Okay, everyone have a fabulous, fabulous week, and we'll talk to you soon. So we're making our way home, and this is what we are driving into. And some places are good, some places are not so good. So anyways, show you a little bit here of our drive.
Yeah, 6 Fahrenheit.
And what is that in Celsius? You don't know. God, there was a bag blowing
That
in
looked
it.
like an animal.
And it looked like an animal. Oh, it wasn't an animal. I
No.
know it was a bag, but my God, it looked like an animal. Oh,
Looked like a squirrel, I thought.
oh,
You know what a squirrel would be doing out here in the field.
oh, I thought it actually looked like some kind of reptile thing. I know. Okay. And is it going to get any better up there? Don't know. Yeah, here's a little. They've been really closing the highways down a lot. Shutting them right down. From north to south to east to west, they've been closing those highways down. So, which is good. You know?
And to my friend Steve in Australia that just got bit by a widowmaker spider. There's no spiders out here today, Steve.
I tell you, Australia has, a lot of,
Everything will kill you.
yeah.
And if it doesn't kill you, it wants to.
Oh, yeah, beautiful place, but I don't know, like, look at Steve, he's from there and he gets bitten by the spider.
Under his arm,
God, under
of
his
all
arm.
places. Put him in a hospital.
Oh, I can't imagine that. Anyway, Steve, I hope you're on the mend. I love you. And,
See you, mate.
yeah, we'll, hopefully we'll talk to you soon. Bye. So, it just really looks. How you see these cool places, it just, I don't know. Just You guys, I love you both. Look at that, how beautiful. That's so beautiful. Rocky, you're the attention grabber. Hey, Chase. Hey, Chase. Oh.